Hi, it's Courtney and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today's video is about how I did this Valentine's Day eyeshadow look. The palette we are going to be using in today's video is the Beauty Bay Evolve eyeshadow palette. Lay down a concealer onto your lid to create a tacky base for your eyeshadow to stick to. Use the remaining product to carve the underneath of your brow. Ensure the product is evenly blended across your entire lid for the best results. Take liner 1, which is a purple toned brown shade, into the outer corner of your lid and out towards the temple to create a V shape. Use Transition 3, which is a dusty rose shade, and gently lay down that over the edges of the previous shade to begin the blending process. Next, you'll need to set your brow bone area, and to do this, take base 2, which is a pale pink shade, and place it just below the brow. To re-add pigmentation below the brow bone area, go back in with Transition 3 and go back over the areas that you had previously placed it. However, this time ensuring you bring it towards the inner corner and add definition to the crease and lid area. Go back into your outer corner with liner 1 to add further pigmentation and enhance the outer V. The next step is to focus on the cut crease. Take a small amount of concealer onto the back of your hand and load up a flat brush with the product. Stamp the concealer just above your lash line and look directly upwards. This will create a guide shape for your cut crease. Fill in your cut crease shape and then blend the edge slightly with your finger. Take Pop 3, which is a pink metallic shade, and apply this over the cut crease area to define the inner half of the crease. To blend the harsh edge left by Pop 3, go back in with liner 1 on a fluffy brush and place it into the outer corner, using circular motions to soften the edges. Next, take Transition 3 and blend it over the edge of the shadows to complete the upper lid. Moving on to the lower lid, place liner 1 directly onto the lower lash line on the outer half of the lid. Then, blend that towards the inner and outer corners, remembering to also focus on the outer V using Transition 3. To soften the edges of the shadows you've laid down, go back into base 2 and blend this across the outer edges of the look. You then want to go back in with Transition 3 and liner 1 to re-add pigmentation into those areas where it was lost during the blending process. To mirror the top lid, take pop 3 onto a small flat brush and place this below the lash line on the inner half of the bottom lid. Using your favourite gold tone loose highlighter, highlight the inner corners of your eyes and also on your brow bone area. Prep your lashes by curling them with an eyelash curler and then apply a generous coat of your favourite mascara to your top and bottom lashes. I'm using Lash Princess by Essence Cosmetics. The lashes I'm using today are the Dull Beauty Chloe Elizabeth lashes. Apply a dot of lash glue to the inner and outer corner of your entire lid and also to the lash band. Make sure that you wait 30 seconds before applying your lashes to the lid. So that was my Valentine's Day eyeshadow tutorial. I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, let me know by giving this video a like and commenting down below if you're going to recreate this look. Next week I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure to stick around for a chance to win. By subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell, it ensures that you don't miss the giveaway video or any of my future uploads. With Easter coming up soon, I'm going to be doing a variety of pastel themed and Easter themed looks. Let me know down below if you have any ideas that you want me to produce that are Easter themed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!